This is a customer I do a lot of work for, buddy of mine. They're 4Runner. It's got 6 inches, a 6-inch kit. I don't even know what brand it is. A Fab Tech on it. And we've done some other work to it, but he put different wheels and tires on it. So it's in now to adjust the front coilovers up and put a spacer in the rear and retrim the bumper and the fender so these are clear and not rubbed, and because he may be going to a little wider tire, so he wants to make sure they're clear good. And this is a 24 by 12 wheel. It's got some nice spike lug nuts.
Nice. Nice, guys. Oh.
Putting everything back.
Yeah, getting it all hooked back up. Yeah, hammer. Well, I got my 25 and a half.
Okay.
Dead on. What's the back gonna be? $25 and a half.
Shut up. You did good, babe.
$25 and a half.
Sweet. Last one.
And that one's just a touch over 25 and a half. But nobody's roding this side yet either, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should I have rode with you?
No, but I'll leave this side up a little bit. If somebody rides in it, the crown of the road,
Yeah.
the road is like this.
Mm-hmm.
So if you leave this side a little high, it adjusts better and drives better.
Okay.
And he'll set it.